I highly recommend not adding any chemicals till the hot tub is at least 90 degrees. You're going to dissolve better and things are going to work better. So when adding the chemical, I'm a firm believer that you should put the chemicals in the filter compartment. And the reason for this is I've actually seen this happen where people have added chemical to their hot tub, especially chlorine or shock, and didn't have the jets running, and it actually landed on the shell of the hot tub, and it etched or stained the shell of the hot tub. They were both extreme cases when I've seen that happen. But if you put it in the filter compartment, the worst that happens is you stain your filter, and A, nobody's going to see that, and B, you have to replace those once a year anyway. So that's not such a big deal to do that. That's a very simple, easy replace part, where if you do something to the shell of the hot tub, you're going to live with that, or you're going to buy a new hot tub. One of the two things is going to happen. So kind of keep that in mind as well.